This video is a step-to-step guide on how to set up GL.iNet routers for the first time. If you are using a TF card on your router, make sure you insert the TF card before you turn on the router. Then connect the power into the router's power port. The router will automatically turn on. There are two methods for connecting the router to your devices. If you are connecting via cable, connect an Ethernet cable into the router's LAN port to your computer. If you are connecting via Wi-Fi on your computer, search for the router's SSID and enter the default password which is printed on the bottom label of the router. To set up the router, go to your browser and enter 192.168.8.1 to access the admin panel. Select your preferred language. Create a new password. There are four methods to connect to the internet: Ethernet, repeater, tethering, and cellular. The first method is Ethernet. This is the fastest method for connecting to the internet. It is suitable in a home environment for establishing a wired connection to a modem or an Ethernet wall socket. To start, connect an Ethernet cable in the router's WAN port to the modem. If you have successfully connected to the internet, you should see a light blue icon next to your Ethernet network. The second method is repeater. This method is useful for securing network traffic when connected to unknown public Wi-Fi such as cafes and hotels. To start, click on Connect under the repeater section. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. If you have successfully connected to the internet, you should see a light blue icon next to your Wi-Fi network. The third method is tethering. This method is most useful when you want to access the internet using a smartphone's data by sharing the smartphone's mobile data to the router. To start, connect your phone to the router's USB port via cable. Select the network source and click Connect. If you have successfully connected to the internet, you should see a light blue icon next to your tethering network. The fourth method is cellular. This method is most useful when you want to broadcast a private network using a USB modem during your travels. To start, simply insert the USB modem into the router's USB port. The cellular network should be automatically established. If you have successfully connected to the internet, you should see a light blue icon next to your internet service provider. Some of our routers support cellular network with their built-in 4G LTE modules. Simply insert an active micro or nano SIM card to establish a cellular connection. We also have a smartphone app for device setup, available for Android and iOS users. You can follow the step-by-step setup process in the app. You can also connect to the router with the smartphone app by scanning the QR code on the bottom label of your router.